Oops, did I hear that right? Hi everyone, we've all been there, right? That moment when someone says something and you're like, wait, what? Maybe it's about where to meet, or what time to eat, and suddenly things get awkward. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Today, we're going to laugh about it and learn some handy phrases to clear things up. Let's face it, misunderstandings are a part of life, but they don't have to ruin our day. With a little humor and the right words, we can turn those awkward moments into opportunities for connection. So, are you ready to become a master of clearing up confusion? Let's get started. Hey, ready for the meeting at 10?
Meeting? I thought it was at 11.
No, Sarah said 10 in her email.
Let me double check.
You quickly check your inbox, and guess what? Mark is right. The meeting is indeed at 10. Oops!
Oh, you're right, my bad. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem, see you there. See how easily that was resolved? Just a simple let me double check saved the day. Let's break down those magic phrases, shall we? Let me double check. This is perfect when you need a moment to clarify something. It shows you're being careful and want to avoid any confusion. There seems to be some confusion. This is a great way to politely point out a misunderstanding without blaming anyone. It sets the stage for a calm and clear conversation. What I meant was, this is your go-to phrase for explaining yourself better. It helps you rephrase your message and ensure everyone is on the same page. And here are some bonus phrases to help you navigate those tricky situations. Hold on, I think I misheard. Just to clarify, let's clear the air. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you're unsure about something. You know, I once had this hilarious misunderstanding with my friend Jennifer Aniston. We were making plans to watch a movie. I thought she said Seven, the thriller. She meant Evan Almighty, the comedy. You can imagine our surprise when we both showed up at the theater expecting completely different things. We had a good laugh about it and ended up watching both movies. The moral of the story? Don't be afraid to double check and clarify. It could save you from a hilarious mix-up. So there you have it. Remember those magic phrases, practice them with your friends, and pretty soon, you'll be a master of clearing up misunderstandings. And who knows, you might even have a funny story to tell because of it.